All right, once again, 2015 Ford Transit Connect. We are gonna drain the oil together. What you need, drain pan, something to lay on, a wrench, fits your drain plug, this case 14 millimeter. Go ahead and set your jack in the right position. Be right here on this lip right here. That'd be perfect. Lift that up. All right. Now we're gonna drain this oil because this is a continuation of the van that got flooded. It was in the water pretty deep. So we're gonna see if we can save this engine. I think the starter got shorted out because it doesn't want to do anything. No noise, no nothing. I'm pretty sure these have a safety switch for the oil. If there's no oil, they won't start either. So we're gonna go with that Siri. Let's change the oil first. So got our, oh, we see signs of water everywhere. Look, we got water up here. What the hell? Wow, we got a lot of water. Like I said, we got water in the engine here. So here we go. And then we got our, I like this wrench. It's a multi wrench. Drain plugs are right back here on a 2015 Ford Transit Connect. We're looking for that one right there. Give yourself a little, drain that water out. We don't need the water in there. Way too much water. Kind of unbelievable what happened. The driver just didn't realize he shouldn't go in the puddle like that. Well, and I'm doing it the wrong way. So we got a lefty loosey, righty tighty. Shoot. I don't know who did the oil change on this before, but damn, it's hard. It's not supposed to be this hard. Change the freaking plug. Damn, it's hard. No, that's the wrong way. Damn it. Hard to do one-handed. So I'm gonna put my phone down real quick. So, give it a little smack. Put your drain plug. Put your drain pan under there because there's gonna be a lot of oil. Now, we're gonna loosen this up here. Let's see how much water we get. This is gonna be interesting. We're still getting a lot of water. It doesn't look so bad. I don't know how much water got into everything, but let's look and find out. Here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see what we find out here. Huh. Don't look too bad. All right. Oil looks pretty good, actually. Looks like it's just oil in there. Oh, well, it's changing colors a little bit. All right. Whoa. Yep, there's a... Well, I think that's our water dripping out. Okay, well, I'm gonna let this drain. See you guys later.